Kuala Lumpur is the federal capital and the most popular city in Malaysia. It is among the fastest growing metropolitan region in the country in terms of population and economy. Behind the life of the city, many are still left to be poor and neglected. Many of them live in poverty and most of them have no family to go back to. Yet, their rights to move around, to have equal protection, and personal liberty are constantly infringed. They deserve, as much as any religious do, they deserve a voice.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are here in Masjid Zambri and inshallah today we would like to ask some people about their views on poverty. Alright, let's go.
Sudah 2 bulan dah.
Oh, baru 2 bulan.
2 bulan dah. Muhammad. 2 bulan dah.
2,5 bulan lah. Okay.
Baru.
Sebelum ni buat apa kerja ke?
Muhammad kerja suka kedai.
Ada tak bantuan kerja yang datang membantu? Macam
Muhammad memang terlangsung
Ambil banyak.
memang langsung diorang tak ada datang lah.
Ha?
Memang langsung tak ada datang lah. Kalau diorang datang pun diorang halau je.
Assalamualaikum. I would like to ask a question. Do you aware of poverty in Malaysia, especially in this area?
Yes, frankly speaking, yes.
Okay.
Apa ni memang banyak kenal. Nampak ah.
Why do poverty is still exist in Malaysia? What do you think we should do to reduce this poverty problem? That's the question that we are going to answer tonight at Agenda Awana. Welcome to you guys.
Thank you for inviting us.
Okay, regarding to this issue, I want to ask Ms. Fatin Ahmad Nazli. Our national income per capita is getting higher every year, but why is still poverty happen in this country?
Okay, thank you Ms. Adilah for the question. We can't deny that there is still poverty happen in some rural area and also in the city. Okay, what I'm focusing now is the people with the low income too. Okay, with the high living cost we live in Malaysia right now, it's difficult for the people who has the low income. If they are consumed with all their income, what do they have for saving? Okay, if any case happen, is emergency happen to them, imagine happen to them, where can they get the money from? So, from this case, we can say that poverty happened to them.
Thank you, Ms. Nur Fatin. Okay, Allah state in the Quran that have you seen him who denies the deen? It is who harshly repel the orphan and does not urge others to feed the needy. So, Mr. Arif, you as an expertise of Islamic economics, what do you think on how to solve this poverty problem?
Now, Ms. Adilah, dysfunctional income distribution means that if we contribute more, then we will get more. For example, if you are the manager of the factory and a worker, if you are the manager, then you will get more because you contribute more. You are managing the factory, right? Now, what happens to the worker? The worker get less because they contribute less, because they are in the lower levels of the hierarchy. The workers, they contribute less, not because they want to contribute less, but because they had to fill this role. Because if they had the same, or they want to be like a boss, they want to be a manager, then who's going to fill the role? Who's going to produce our products? And our GDP will decrease to zero. And this is where our institution like zakat and the welfare of the department should take a place. Okay, second, no public goods. In market system, we always want to maximize our satisfaction because we are rational. We believe that our satisfaction will become zero when we die. This is wrong. In Islamic economics, we extend the time horizon, which is even after we die, we still get the benefit. This is why we need Islamic economy to change the view of our people.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Arif. As been said in the Sahih Bukhari, Hadith 557, Allah's Messenger has said that the poor person is not the one who goes round the people and asks them for a mouthful or two of meals, but the poor is the one who has not enough money to satisfy his needs and whose condition is not known to others. So let's take it as our responsibility to ease their burden, as narrated by Hakim bin Hizam. The Prophet said that the upper hand is better than the lower hand, as he who gives in charity is better than who takes it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, our panel.